The biggest problem in your life is in the second dimension. So let us take a stick figure we're going to name Bob. So we're going to draw Bob on a piece of paper. And then we're going to do a black circle around him. So he is essentially trapped. Now we're going to let a young girl come in the room who wants to do some drawing. She is a 3D being. So she comes over to see Bob and she realizes, well, Bob isn't trapped because from her perspective, he's free. She is from a higher dimension. Now, the thing is, when we have loneliness, isolation, depressions, problems, survival mode, etc., we see life through that two-dimensional view. Because how could you possibly think about what's going to happen next week, next year, if you don't even have enough money to pay the rent or to buy food? So this is the trap that the mind, well, it's not really a trap, it's more a survival mechanism. But the point is, it's not always the best in our current environment where you have to think long term, you have to plan, you have to be careful with the future. So it's about just really bringing awareness to the fact that this exists, and you have to be very, very careful of this, because not only do you need to think about your needs right now and your self-care now, but also in the future, because the future is built today.